Hi everyone, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 15 January Monday 2024. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 6, number 22, number 36, number 39, number 40, number 41. Today lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 6, number 20, number 36, number 39, number 40, number 41. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 12, number 33, number 34, number 45, number 47, number 48. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 12, number 33, number 34, number 45, number 47, number 48. Now lunchtime booster balls numbers: number 30 or number 32 or number 22 or number 19. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 30, number 32, number 22, number 19. Today tea time prediction for 15 January Monday 2024. Today tea time single prediction numbers: number 3, number 14, number 25, number 36, number 37, number 43. Now tea time single prediction number repeat: number 3, number 14, number 36, number 25, number 37, number 43. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 6, number 22, number 33, number 34, number 46, number 49. Now tea time second prediction number repeat: number 6, number 22, number 33, number 34, number 46, number 49. Now tea time booster balls numbers: number 49 or number 43 or number 39 or number 35. Today tea time bonus ball number repeat: number 49, number 43, number 39, number 35. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon.